I received the following question from a customer. How can I use the click detection in my program? Click detection features included in our Force Copilot software can be used for different types of applications, such as assembly or quality control. It allows the detection of a sudden drop of force during the execution of a defined movement.
If a click is detected, the remaining instruction within the click detection node will be skipped, and the next instruction in the program will be executed. Specific instruction can be added as well if no click is detected. In the following example, we'll use a 5 Newton force as the threshold for the click detection. A single waypoint is defined in the click detection node, which implies the button to be completely pushed. If no drop of force higher than the defined threshold is detected, in this case 10 newtons, the code inside the if not click instruction will be executed. Same logic applies to the torque as well. In this example, the click detection is looking for a drop of 0.50 Newton during the execution of the 90-degree movement to open the valve. If the torque threshold is higher than the real drop of torque for the specific valve, there will be no click detected.
Hope this answered the question. See you next time.